Serious commotion in DSS as 180 lawmakers assemble seek release of Nnamdi Kanu. Na wetin we suppose dey hear be this. Now it is the lawmakers that are calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. That is awesome. If people like this, prominent people like this, are coming together to speak concerning the freedom of the IPOP leader, tell me, why won't he be released? Why won't he be set free? Definitely he will. But because they kept mute, they kept quiet and refused to say a word. That is why DSS felt okay, wahala no dey, Nnamdi Kanu go dey here. You understand? So I want to commend these lawmakers, and also I want to encourage other interventions to come in to see to the quick freedom of the IPOP leader, since international personalities are now involved. Let's quickly check on the content, and then let's know what truly has what truly was discussed about this. This is today's news. The House of Representative Minority Caucus has called for the release of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu. In a meeting held in Abuja, over 180 lawmakers elected on the platform of minority political parties made the call following the adoption of a motion moved at the special meeting of the caucus on Monday night by Mr. Obi Agwocha. In a statement issued on Tuesday, the lawmaker, who represents Ikwano Umuahia, North Umuahia, South Federal Constituency, Abia State, urged his colleagues to take a definitive position on the ongoing lobby to explore possible political solution to the continued detention of the IPOP leader. The minority caucus is made up of the People Democratic Party, which has 115 seats, Labour Party 35, New Nigerian People Party 19, and the All Progressive Grand Alliance with 5 seats. Others are the Democratic Party 2 seats, the Young Progressive Party, and the African Democratic Congress with 2 seats apiece. Agwocha emphasized the importance of a common front within the minority caucus, noting that the resolution on Nnamdi Kanu's case is crucial for national peace, stability, and unity. Thank you for listening to today's news. Yes, Nigerians, I greet you all. Thank you. Um, the the House of Representative, with this number of persons, calling for the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu, I want to tell you that the federal government will have no choice than to adhere. But it should be a you know a continuous call, so that they will know that truly they meant business, and they really think it's important the IPOP leader is released. You understand? And nothing more than that. So I want to at least um, appreciate appreciate the House of Representatives for this very kind gesture shown to the Biafrans and also to the IPOPs because it's very, very rare to see this kind of support. No be small thing, my people. All right, so let's quickly just hear from you and then let's know how you feel, what your take is, and what your opinion actually is on this matter. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel so that each time we upload any new videos, you will be updated. Thank you for listening.